phone on Thursday. So, environment, you know. Okay, so patterns of inheritance. So, you will copy this topic and right after the quiz about function of the cell, we're going to have a discussion on the patterns of inheritance. So, you can take a look on the different diseases that an offspring inherit from the parents. Okay. So, any questions? Any questions?
Mga tripan kasi yan.
So, there are none. So, that ends our
Lahat ba na kaya yan?
meeting for today about division of the system. Okay, so your assignment is to study, read, and study the next topic, which is the patterns of inheritance by Gregor Mendel. Okay, so right after this discussion of patterns of inheritance, there will be a quiz on the next meeting. Okay, so
Ma'am,
yes.
bali yung topic po na i-exam sa prelim hanggang inheritance lang po.
Oo. So, I will give you pointers to review for the topics to be learned on our prelim exam. Ano? So, the coverage will be scientific method, the origin of life, the origin of or the chemistry of life. Next is the cell and the patterns of inheritance. Under the cell, ano na yung function, the division, and the last is the patterns of inheritance. And you will expect the multiple choice, the true or false, the matching type, the classification, and an SC. So those are the different parts that we will going to
Awasan pa natin.
learn in our
Ipan pa
prelim
okay.
exam. Okay, itanong, actually gawa ng prelim exam nyo. Kasi kata ko ay next week is our prelim exam. Kasi 6 weeks na sa next week. Pangka 6 weeks, lagi ang ating exam. Kaya, hindi ko alam na next week pa pala. Okay, question. Meron bang